Do you also want to start a YouTube automation channel in 2025 and earn a lot of money? If yes, then this video is very important for you. Make sure to watch it till the end to get all the valuable information. At the end of the video, there's a surprise for all of you. I'll walk you through everything you need, from picking the right niche to creating killer content. Let's make your YouTube journey a success, right here on Grow with ESA. First, you must choose a niche. Make sure to select a niche with a high RPM, otherwise your earnings could look underwhelming. If you're unsure about selecting a niche, don't worry. You can check out this video where I highlight niches with the highest RPMs to help you make the right choice. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate several name ideas for your channel. Here's the prompt. Pick the one you like most. It's that simple. Once you've chosen a name, you'll need a logo and a banner image to give your channel a professional look. Use ChatGPT with these prompts to generate ideas for both, and you can bring them to life with design tools or AI image platforms. When it comes to content creation, start by brainstorming at least 50 video ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to generate 50 ideas for your chosen niche, or analyze your competitors to create your own unique list of topics. For each video, you'll need a killer script. Ask ChatGPT to draft a unique script for your topic, then make sure to tweak it into your own words. This is very important. Don't just copy and paste an AI-generated script. Keep your viewers engaged by using viral hooks throughout your video. These hooks keep people watching, which is key to YouTube's algorithm. Once your script is ready, you'll need a voiceover. You can record your own voice or use AI tools like 11 Labs or OpenTTS to generate professional quality voiceovers. For visuals, use platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, Pixabay, Envato Elements. These sites are excellent for downloading stock videos, images, sound effects, and music. If you want to level up your visuals, you can even use AI-generated images from websites like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. When it's time to edit your videos, tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or After Effects can help. If you're new to video editing, CapCut is beginner-friendly and super easy to use. But don't stop there. Spend some time learning and improving your editing skills for even better results. The surprise for you is that all the prompts shown in this video will be available in the video description for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to building a successful channel in no time. If you want more detailed guides and tips like this, subscribe to Grow with ESA and let's grow together. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.